Who can tell me what this is? Can y'all see? How many of you said it was a pen? Well, based on your past experiences and prior knowledge about pens and what pens look like, you formed an opinion. But in this instance, this really isn't a pen. It's a tape recorder. It doesn't even write. Now, don't be upset if you didn't get that right. First of all, it was a trick. And second, you formed an opinion based on what you learned and thought you knew about pens. You believed you had all the answers and all the information to make a decision or form an opinion. But in this situation, what you thought was a pen wasn't a pen at all. Now, this is a really simple example of how our prior experiences shape our thinking today. In every situation, we bring our past knowledge, our biases, and at times our partial information. As reflexes leaders, we challenge how we think to become more critical of not just what we are seeing and hearing, but more importantly, why we are thinking that way. Now, I'm sure you're all familiar with the psychologist Jean Piaget. He told this story for years about how when he was a little boy, he was almost kidnapped. He vividly remembered the story of being in his stroller, being pushed by his nanny in a park, and a man appearing suddenly out of nowhere, trying to rip him out of the stroller. The nanny fought him off. She was injured, scratched on the face, and he could remember faces of people in the crowd, a policeman coming to help them, a train whistle sounding in the distance. There was only one thing wrong with this story. Does anyone know? That's right. It never happened. The nanny made it up.